Did you know that you can create an entry to this table through this form? Let me show you how. It's very easy. Here in your quick access bar, click at the row down, select More Commands. Here, you're going to select where it says Choose Commands From, select commands not in the ribbon. Go to the list down here and you can press F. So it can bring you to the item starting with F. Let's go with Forms, Add, press OK. Now you can see the icon for the forms here on your quick access bar. Click at that and it will show you the first entry in that table. You have first, last, account number, and balance. Those are the titles of the table. Let's say I want to have a new entry. I'm going to click at New. I can say first name A, last name B, account number 1, and the balance is going to be 2. I'm going to press Enter, and here you have that entry on the last row of the table. You can also find the previous items. You can go and search for those items, or in criteria, you can say, for example, Smith, last name Smith, and you can say find previous, and we have Sophia, and that's the only one. It says 2 of 14, but it's just the position of that entry. If I try to find next, there are no more. There is only one last name, Smith, and that's where I have this. And let's say I want to change the account for 1, 2, 3. I press Enter, and now you can see here on the back that Sophia Smith, account number 1, 2, 3. Very easy, very simple, in no time.